I didn't even know this thing existed. This is the way to see it. I think I might have taken a wrong turn. People driving by wondering if my RV was on fire. This is awkward. First time he's riding it. The Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Larry. This is Mason back here behind me snoozing on the bed. And for this episode, we're actually in a campground, which I don't normally do campgrounds, but for whatever reason, I just thought it'd be kind of cool to be in a campground tonight. So that's what we're going to do. And what else better to do while you're in a campground than to cruise around on your bike and, you know, see what everybody else is up to. So that's what we're going to do right now. I didn't pick this dog carrier out. I probably would have picked out a different color if I would have picked it out, but this is the only one I have. This is the first time Mason's ever really been anywhere with it. We tested it out one time at the RV and he did about the same thing. He just kind of hung out, didn't seem to like it or dislike it, but he's never gonna get used to it if we don't try it. And this definitely helps out for riding a bike or anything like that, or hiking. I can bring him along with me and he doesn't actually have to walk. He seems to be doing okay though, as long as he's not passing out. I think he's all right though. Holy cow, there's a sharp turn right here. First time he's riding it. I think I might have taken a wrong turn. It's supposed to be some sort of like big hole or something around here, and I don't know where it's at, but I'll just keep looking, I guess, for it. So yeah, we're at the Grand Canyon. This is the big hole I was talking about right here behind me. I'm actually at a different point in which I've never been here before. I usually go to like the south rim where the kind of one of the main entrances are, but where I'm at now is a different point, and the trail that I'm on is actually just for bikes and for walkers, so there's a whole lot less traffic and you get to just ride right along the rim. So this is a pretty cool spot. I want to be here for sunset, But I'm going to scout around, see if there's a better angle than where I'm at right now. If not, I'll just come back here. If you can see, it's pretty cool. I'm not getting real close to the edge. I'm sure the camera makes it look like I'm way closer, but yeah, this place is just, I don't know, it's something else. This is probably the 10th time I've been here, and I still just love coming here every single time. All the way down to the bottom is actually 96 degrees. Right now up here, it's 70 degrees, and there's actually like heat warnings for people down there hiking, which I'm jealous. That's actually on my bucket list, is to do rim to rim, or at least go down to like Havasupai Falls, which is down at the bottom. That's one reason why I want to get into shape, is because that's one thing I want to do, is just hike to the bottom, see all that stuff, camp down there, and then hike back out. Bub, you like the Grand Canyon? Well, I don't think it's gonna get much prettier than that. This phone might not be doing a lot of justice, but it's getting windier. The temperature is going to drop really fast, and I do have a long ways back to go through the woods, and I'm not 100% sure the way back, so I'm going to leave right now before it gets too dark. All right, I got Mason strapped back up, backpack's on, and yeah, we're getting ready to head back to camp. Ready, bud? He's been getting a ton of attention from the ladies, so don't let him fool you with this shyness. Isn't this trail like the coolest thing? Just right along the edge of the Grand Canyon. I didn't even know this thing existed. This is the way to see it. Ain't that right, Mason Bowie? He's so ready to get back to camp and get in a warm trailer, but I don't think he's hating it. Actually, he jumped right into the little harness, so I think he kind of likes the bike rides. He survived. He's shivering because it's cold, but he survived. get real close because it's quiet time or quiet hours or whatever they call it in campgrounds. It's after 10 o'clock, so everybody's supposed to be real quiet. But I'm just sitting out here by this fire, grilling the chicken, and I'm trying to just get the chicken cooked so I can put it on the pizza. But while I'm sitting out here, I can hear elk like bugling off here behind me. So if you've ever wondered what pizza dough does with no yeast, we're soon to find out, because the box for whatever reason didn't come with it, and I don't have any because I'm out here in the middle of nowhere. Well, not near any real stores, I guess. This is awkward. I guess this is what happens when there's not yeast in the bread. I don't even think the bread is cooked all the way. Yeah, it seems doughy, so that's kind of a waste. All right. I can almost taste what the pizza was supposed to taste like. Oh well. Didn't work out this time, but hopefully next time. Good morning. I haven't even started my coffee yet. I've just been dealing with this dang diesel heater. If you've watched the channel for like any length of time, you know I hate this thing. Every time, I'm starting to figure it out. When I test it out, it works perfect every time. And then when I need it, it doesn't work every single time. Here I am, I have this power station plugged in to this little tiny heater next to me to take the chill off because the diesel heater just wouldn't start this morning. It just chugged smoke, smoked out half the campground. I had people driving by wondering if my RV was on fire, and then it just shot me this like E10 error code and didn't even start. The name brand one was 10 times the cost though, so I went with the cheap Chinese diesel heater one. I didn't think I was gonna have this kind of problem, but anyways, other than that, I mean, it could be way worse in here. Luckily, it's not like 20 degrees in here. But, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna get some coffee going. I'm just tired right now. Can't have any water on that wood, it's still raw. Oh, coffee. it got real hot in here real fast. I had that little heater on, and the windows were all closed, and next thing you know, it got hot. I had to take off my sweatshirt, put on a thinner shirt, and then now I just opened up all the windows, and it's like nice and cool outside. Probably, I'm guessing mid to high 60s outside and a breeze, so it's so nice in here right now. Mason's just sitting over here looking out the window, enjoying life, and I'm getting ready to make some breakfast. Just gonna make some sausage patties. So staying here has been pretty nice, actually, especially this morning. Everybody's left, so there's like one other vehicle here that I can see within my field of vision, and it's just been quiet. You know, like I don't normally do campgrounds because other people typically get kind of loud, and it's kind of hard to sleep or do whatever, you know. But I didn't hear a peep out of anybody. All yesterday and last night and today, I haven't heard anything. This sausage is actually, it's got a little heat to it. I mean, it's not bad, but it's hotter than I was expecting. Wanna go for a walk, buddy?
Yeah, you wanna go for a walk? Get that downward dog stretching. Now you ready? Let's go.
It's beautiful this morning. I think, like I said, it's probably mid 60s. Kind of a breeze at times, but it's still really nice. Well, I got everything all packed up. It's just about 11 o'clock, so ready to get out of here. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and Mason last night. The pizza didn't turn out, but that's okay. It was still a good camping trip, and I'm glad you guys were here. So until next time, I'll see you guys then. All right, bye. Huh. The truck camper damaged my truck again. One time before, it came down and smashed the whole roof of my truck, and now it came down and scratched the crap out of my truck. The only good part is Mason notices that I'm upset, and he came over and decided to lay on my lap.